Jayant, you just mentioned the lifetime value of a customer. What do you mean by that?
This is a very important and interesting thing which I want to share with you. Businessmen actually don't calculate the acquisition cost of a customer. You obviously know that getting a new customer is like 5 to 6 times more expensive, and to sell something to a new customer is 16 to 18 times more difficult. So having your own one customer with you, have you calculated the acquisition cost and have you calculated the lifetime profits or the marginal profits he is going to give you? To share with you, for example, we'll take an example of a barber. Okay, he has a customer who comes to him and spends with him monthly, for example, for haircutting 100 rupees. And he makes a margin, after calculating his overheads and all, if he makes a margin of 50 rupees. This person comes to him, say, 12 times in a year. Okay, so once he gets the customer, he gets 50 rupees margin every month from this one particular customer for 12 times in a year. So 50 into 12 is 600 rupees profit he makes from one customer. And assume that this person will stay in that locality for next 10 years. Okay, so 600 rupees into 10 is 6,000 rupees. Now 6,000 rupees profit, he knows that once I get a customer, I have this much of profit. So I can spend some amount of money upfront to get a customer first time. So I can spend some more money than the profit what I'm earning. So people should calculate the lifetime value of a customer for any business and then acquire new customers using this formula. Once you know that, okay, this customer is going to be with me for such a long period, or 3 years or 5 years or 10 years, you calculate it. And you know that, okay, your acquisition cost is 10 rupees or 1,000 rupees or 10,000 rupees, but you're going to make so much of profit over a period of the lifetime of the customers. Then you'll have the clarity how much money you can spend to acquire the customer and then keep him. Okay, so the lifetime value of a customer, if you know this, it can make a huge difference in your thinking, your marketing effort, and actually servicing that customer. And it's not only the direct profits what you make. Just think of the profits you can make if you give a good service. What happens? He can refer other customers. So you get a new customer for free because he's referring. That's the endorsement marketing. Here is a referral. Your marketing cost is 0. Now that new customer who comes, he'll again get you that kind of profit. Then if you give a good service, he'll also get more customers. So just imagine the kind of money you can generate only by calculating the lifetime value of a customer. I think everybody should do that.